Hello, this is a video to explain to you about some verb conjugations in French. Now, we've already gone over ER verbs, regular ER verbs, at some point earlier this year. And the basic idea, when you make a verb, when you conjugate a verb, you're changing it so that it sounds right in the sentence and goes along with the person who's doing it. So I use these charts to kind of lay out for you how each verb form it goes with a different person. Now, the thing is, these ER verbs, they have different spellings, but the sounds are often the same. So when we do the spelling, you'll see I have two columns here, spelling and sound. Je chante. Notice the E at the end. This is specific to the je. Tu chantes. This is an ES. Il, elle chante, just like the je form. Notice again the last letter. Now the thing is, when we go over here for the sound, it's important to understand that these sound the same. Chante, 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 chante. When we come over to the plural side, the we, the yous guys, and the they, we sing, nous chantons. Notice here's our ending, but when we actually go through and talk about the sound, chantons, we have the chante, but then we have this other sound, which is the on. Now, by the way, this here is the phonetic symbol for on, because we don't really have a good way in English to spell on. I mean, you guys have been spelling it in your own notes in whatever way, but this is the way that linguists spell out the sound on. Now, similarly for vous chantez. Voilà. Easy is our ending. Vous chantez. And again, we have chante, and then we've got a. And by the way, this E right here is not actually an E, it's the phonetic symbol for a. Chanter. Lastly, the they form, il chante, elle chante. Now you'll notice there's an ENT at the end, but it is silent. Il chante, elle chante. So once again, chante, chante. Just to give you one more example. Jouer, je joue. Tu joues. Il joue. Elle joue. Il joue. Elle joue. Notice, here are the endings. Je joue with an E, tu joues with an ES, il joue with an E, elle joue with an E, il joue with an ENT, elle joue with an ENT. And that means that the sounds come out joue, copy and paste here, joue, 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 joue. Oops, not joue, joue. Yeah. In the nous and the vous, nous jouons, vous jouez. Now our endings here are the ONS and the EZ. This means that we're going to have jouons with the on sound and jouer with the a sound. Now, this is probably stuff that if you've been paying attention, it's not super surprising. You've kind of seen this before. We're probably good with it. I'm going to stop this video here because I want to show you the next part. I want you to just notice the endings and what letters each ending starts with before you end this video. So pause now and take a look at these endings. Let them sink into your brain because we will need them in the next video.